Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. AI is changing the way we do business, and online marketing is no exception. Whether you're a beginner trying to start your first affiliate marketing hustle or someone looking for a smarter and more automated way to grow online, so there's a flood of tools out there claiming to help you succeed. One of the latest is the AI Marketers Club by Crestani. He is a well-known seven-figure affiliate marketer who's been in the game for years. This program promises to show you how to create viral, faceless videos and generate affiliate income with leverage AI tools. Sounds interesting, right? So, in this review, I'll take you inside the program and explain how it works, who it's really for, pros and cons, and whether it can actually help you start making money online, especially if you're on a budget or just getting started, okay? So, let's talk about what this program actually is and why so many beginner marketers are getting curious about it. The AI Marketers Club is a complete affiliate marketing ecosystem designed to help you build a digital income stream using AI tools, viral content frameworks, and ready-to-use templates. Instead of overwhelming you with complex strategies, it focuses on simplicity and giving you a clear, repeatable system that's ideal for beginners and non-tech savvy creators. This program is built around a core strategy known as the FIR method. It's short for Fast Impact Revenue. The goal of this method is to help you produce short-form, high-converting video content that can go viral quickly and drive traffic to affiliate offers. You don't need to show your face, or speak on camera, or spend hours editing. The system is specifically designed for creating faceless videos, which are hugely popular across platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Now, at the heart of the course is a suite of AI-powered tools and prompts that guide you in generating hooks, writing video scripts, and choosing high-converting offers. These aren't generic AI tools. They're fine-tuned to help marketers create content that drives attention and action. You'll also find pre-built affiliate funnels, done-for-you video templates, and campaign ideas, so you're never stuck wondering what to create next. So, what makes this platform unique is its focus on action and speed. Instead of spending months building blogs or running complicated ad campaigns, the AI Marketers Club helps you get results faster by tapping into viral trends and proven content frameworks. Whether you're brand new or you've struggled with consistency in the past, this system gives you a clear path to follow and combining automation with practical training and content shortcuts. So, it's not just a training course, it's a toolkit, strategy guide, and AI assistant all rolled into one. And because it focuses heavily on faceless marketing, it's a great option if you're camera shy or want to grow anonymously while still tapping into the power of short-form content and affiliate marketing. So, if you're serious about starting your online income journey with the power of AI, now's the time. Take the first step and explore everything waiting for you inside the AI Marketers Club and see how simple affiliate marketing can be, even without showing your face. Click the link in the description below and get instant access and start your digital business today, okay? Now that we've clearly understood what the AI Marketers Club is and the strategy behind it, let's take a look at what you actually get inside the course. One of the most valuable parts of what you get inside the AI Marketers Club is the core training. It's a 3-hour, step-by-step educational video course taught by Crestani himself. This isn't just fluff or high-level theory, it's a focused, actionable walkthrough that's especially designed for beginners and aspiring affiliate marketers who want to build a faceless content business using AI. This course breaks down the entire process into simple, easy-to-follow modules. John walks you through how to use AI tools to create short-form content that converts, and how to structure your workflow for consistent posting, and how to connect your content to affiliate offers that can start generating commissions. Now, what's great is that he doesn't just show you the what, he also explains the why behind each step, which helps you understand the full picture, even if you've never done marketing before. So, the focus throughout the course is on automation and speed, it helping you go from zero to your first monetized content piece without feeling overwhelmed. If you're someone who learns best by watching over-the-shoulder tutorials, then this program will be especially valuable, okay? Now let me quickly walk you through the bonuses you get when you join the AI Marketers Club. These bonuses add real values to the core training and give you the tools, shortcuts, and support to launch faster and stay consistent. First, you get affiliate network access. This bonus gives you exclusive access to promote a high-converting affiliate offer with 75% commission, which means the potential to earn substantial payouts from even a single conversion. It's part of an affiliate system that has already paid out millions, and you're given the exact tools and setup to start promoting right away. This removes the guesswork of finding affiliate products and allows you to focus on driving traffic with the tools provided in the program. Next, along with that, you get a quick start guide. Getting started is often the hardest part, and that's exactly what this guide solves. The Quick Start Guide walks you through the essential steps to launch your affiliate content system. It helps you choose your content platform like YouTube Shorts or TikTok and set up your creator tools and post your first piece of monetized content. This guide is practical, step by step, and designed to get you moving from day one without confusion or delay. Next, you get the 7-minute action checklist. This daily use checklist is all about speed and simplicity. After completing the main course, this bonus helps you turn a content idea into a live, monetized post in just 7 minutes. It's especially useful for staying consistent with content creation. If you struggle with focus, overthinking, or time management, this checklist helps you stay organized and productive with a clear, repeatable action plan. Okay? Then you get AI Marketers Commissions Tracker. Tracking your performance is crucial if you want to improve and scale, and that's exactly what this tracker helps you do. It allows you to log and monitor your daily posts, affiliate links, and commissions. Over time, you'll be able to identify what types of content perform best, what affiliate links are converting, and how to optimize your strategy. It's like having your own mini dashboard to track your growth. Next, you get the access of private community. Inside the AI Marketers Club, you're not alone. You get access to a private online community where other marketers and creators using the same system connect. This is where you can share your wins, ask questions, get feedback, and stay motivated. Being part of a like-minded community is incredibly helpful, especially when you're just starting and need support or new ideas. Okay? Then, you get the Memetic AI. This is one of the most powerful tools in the entire program. The Memetic AI helps you generate viral-ready content, including social media posts, video ideas, ad copy, and hooks that are engineered to grab attention. It draws from high-performing formats and adapts them to your niche or offer. This tool is perfect for creators who want to break through the noise and get more visibility on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. Next, you get Free Website Builder. This bonus gives you a fully functional drag-and-drop website builder. It's complete with a free domain, SSL security, and ready-to-go affiliate landing pages. It's ideal for building your online presence without needing any coding or design skills. You can have your site live in under 15 minutes, and it's already optimized for promoting affiliate offers. So you're set up to start collecting clicks and conversions from day one, okay? Now, everything I just covered is already a solid deal, but John Crestani doesn't stop there. If you decide to join the AI Marketers Club today, you also unlock a set of exclusive limited-time bonuses, and honestly, these are some of the most valuable additions to the entire package. So, let me quickly walk you through what else you'll get access to, completely free, just for becoming a member. First, you'll receive invitations to in-person events, where creators, affiliate marketers, and online entrepreneurs gather to network and share strategies. These events are a rare chance to connect with like-minded people and build powerful industry relationships face-to-face, something that can't be replicated through digital platforms. Next, there's a pre-built affiliate lander. It's a fully designed, conversion-optimized landing page that's ready for deployment. No tech skills or setup headaches required. You simply plug in your affiliate link, make a few tweaks if you like, and go live within minutes. This is perfect for beginners who don't want to waste time designing or coding from scratch. Then another major bonus is the free business setup consultation. This is a one-on-one session where you'll get personalized guidance on structuring your content business, from branding and legal setup to back-end systems. It's especially valuable if you want to grow a long-term online brand the right way from the start. Then, you also get access to resellable course videos, which is incredibly unique. You can download the AI Marketers Club course video files and use them however you like. Upload them to your own platforms and package them with other digital products or even resell them. This opens up another income stream using content you didn't have to create. And lastly, there are affiliate case studies that break down real-world success stories. You'll learn exactly how top affiliates structure their content, design their funnels, and drive traffic to their offers. These behind-the-scenes looks help you reverse engineer proven systems and apply them to your own campaigns. Okay? Now that you've seen everything, now let's talk about the part everyone wonders about. How much does it cost to get access to all of this? So, at the time of recording this video, the AI Marketers Club is available at a special early bird price, and it's honestly one of the most affordable offers I've come across in the affiliate marketing and AI space. You get full access to the course, along with all the tools, templates, and every bonus I mentioned earlier, including things like the mimetic AI system, commission tracker, private community, and even in-person event invitations, for a one-time payment of just $27. This isn't a monthly or recurring fee. It's a simple and upfront payment that gives you access to everything. Now, to make things completely risk-free, the program is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it out and go through the training and use the AI prompts and start creating content. And if it doesn't feel like the right fit, you can request a full refund with no questions asked. However, this pricing is limited time only and may go up once the early bird window closes. So if you're on the fence, this is one of those situations where taking early action could actually save you money. If you're serious about starting your affiliate journey with AI, this is your chance. Click the link in the description below to join the AI Marketers Club today and unlock everything we just talked about, including the bonuses, tools, training, and even the private community. Don't wait too long. This early bird offer won't last forever, okay? Now, every program has its strengths and limitations, and AI Marketers Club is no different. So let's break down some of the key pros and cons so you get a clear picture of what to expect before making a decision. Let's start with the pros. First, it has beginner-friendly system. Everything is step-by-step and making it easy for complete beginners to follow. Then, no need to show your face. It's perfect for camera-shy creators looking to grow anonymously with faceless content. Then the AI tools save time. From content prompts to viral scripts, you get tools that reduce the work and decision fatigue. Then it has high-converting affiliate setup. With pre-built funnels and product suggestions, it removes the guesswork from affiliate marketing. Then it has daily checklist and tracker. It helps you stay organized and consistent without getting lost or distracted. And lastly, it has valuable bonuses. Tools like the mimetic AI and the free website builder add serious value. Now, let's discuss the cons. First, it has no live coaching or mentorship. You're getting tools and recorded training, but not one-on-one support. And it has limited time pricing. The early bird offer may disappear, which could make it less appealing later. Okay? Now, after going through the entire program, here's my honest take. The AI Marketers Club is one of the most beginner-friendly and value-packed offers I've seen in the affiliate marketing space, especially if you're looking to start with AI tools and faceless content. I really like how John Crestani has removed all the fluff and focused on actionable tools, ready-to-use templates, and a clear system that anyone can follow, even if you're starting from scratch. It's not overloaded with theory or technical jargon. Instead, it's all about getting you to take action and publish content that can lead to real results. Of course, it's not a magic money button. You still need to put in the work, create content consistently, and follow the system. But if you're willing to do that, this is probably one of the easiest, low-risk ways to start building an online income using affiliate marketing and AI. If you're someone who wants to make money online but feels stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure where to start, then I'd say this is 100% worth checking out, okay? So, that's my full review of the AI Marketers Club. If you're ready to take the first step toward building your affiliate business using AI tools and faceless content, then now's the time to act. Click the link in the description below, join the AI Marketers Club today, and get instant access to everything: the training, the bonuses, and the tools designed to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.